Money is belief plus rules. The dollar runs on belief. Bitcoin locks the rules in code. So what makes money money? It only has to do three jobs: store value, be spendable, and price things. For a 15-year-old network, Bitcoin scores surprisingly well. Its strength starts with scarcity. There will only ever be 21 million, not a single unit more. With traditional money, the supply expands, and your purchasing power shrinks. Yes, early-stage money is volatile, but stability grows with adoption, and it is being adopted. We have instant global settlement already live today. One Bitcoin splits into 100 million sats, built for any amount. This changes everything about ownership. A bank balance is an IOU. Your keys are ownership. Your wealth can cross borders in your head. This network is secured by billions in hardware and electricity, running non-stop since 2009. You don't have to trust anyone. You can verify everything yourself. From remittances to retail to payroll, people use it because it works. The euro, pound, dollar, those are national. Bitcoin is universal. The common objections have clear, honest answers. Volatility? That's an early network effect. Backed by nothing? It's backed by math, scarcity, and security. You see, money adoption moves in stages. You save it, you spend it, then you price in it. We're between stage 2 and 3. So let's run the scorecard. Store of value? Check. Medium of exchange? Check. Unit of account? Emerging. Is Bitcoin real money? It's money with rules you can verify, and that changes everything.